Welcome to LookFar, a truly incredible opportunity to own one of the most premier estate properties in the Rogue Valley, with pride of ownership at every turn. Available for the first time in over 20 years, this rolling paradise totals over 200 acres and boasts breathtaking views spanning up and down the Rogue Valley. The property resembles an arboretum, benefiting from over 300 species of oaks, pines, spruce, maples, manzanitas, and dogwood. The alley of giant sequoia are 20 years old, and their setting upon the sprawling and manicured yard are simply magnificent. As you wind through one of the property's many paths, you're able to take in the abundant wildlife. Over 70 species of birds call these grounds home, including bald eagles, golden eagles, meadowlarks, and more. This homestead allows for a dual family setup with impressive home site options on each of the 2 tax lots. Combining both privacy and prestige, this is one of the most sought-after locations in Southern Oregon. This immaculate property allows for miles of walking trails and is fully deer fenced to protect the lush vegetation. There are also 45.8 acres of irrigation rights and an on-site pond that holds up to 600,000 gallons of water. A true legacy property. Owning the LookFar estate property and arboretum is a rare opportunity for the discerning buyer. Thank you for touring this property with us today.